So domain 1 is the student characteristics, issues, and factors. And in this domain, I put that some students chose to do a quiet activity when lunch is done, like homework. I feel like this is a very positive thing to do, and when looking at the students who are doing something correctly, then this is definitely something to kind of model for the other students. Students do know the restroom ID procedure, even if they choose not to use it. Students are seen wandering about the cafeteria. It's kind of a breeding ground for bullying, and when there's kind of that unstructured time with limited adult supervision. Tables are left dirty when the students are done eating, and the students run down the hallway and don't listen to the teacher when they tell them to stop. So domain 2 are the teacher staff characteristics, issues, and factors. One is the principal or the assistant principal are present and supervising at both breakfast and lunch, and that is definitely a positive, especially when we start to talk about PBSS and the using of scripts and all of that. Principal is definitely the leader in that in the school. I think there's an appropriate amount of adult supervision. There seems to be, obviously breakfast doesn't seem to be much of an issue, but at lunch there seems to be enough adults to be able to handle that group of kids. They're yelling at students in the hallway, and there's inconsistent answers for the restroom procedure.